Oh, well, you know, there's not too much that separates the human world from the world of the Shishin. And they're a lot like us in many ways. Well, Stullums, the Downs, the Morris, the Calbria, they love the dancing and the music just the same as we do. And you know, but the world seldom meet. And I suppose that's a good thing, because we're just always causing trouble for each other when we do.
Where did the fairies come from?
Where did the fairies come from? Well, yes, in Jimmy Hive now. Just let me, the way my grandmother told me, oh, yes, I'm after getting so forgetful. How's that? You remember when we were younger, grandmother telling us about the Shishin. I'm getting so forgetful. How did the story go?
Oh, how can you not go? I remember it was about the proud angel.
Oh, yes, the proud angel. Yes, how could I ever forget? How she told us to so often. Well, it was in another time, long before any of us were around. The proud angel, decided he was going to stir up a rebellion up there in heaven with the angels. And he said, I'm going to go out and we're going to found our own kingdom. And out the door he went. Tarnish is Jowinish, Jowinish is Tarnish. Followed him out, thunder and lightning and thunder on the heels as he went out the door. And you know, many of the angels went with him. And the Father said, close the gates of heaven and close the gates of hell. And some of the spirits remained in heaven, and some of the spirits were still down in hell.
Where did the others go?
Where did the others go? They flew into the holes of the earth. And that's where the Shishin had been ever since, underground, only allowed to come out in the in-between times, between dawn and dusk. And on nights like tonight, Oidhche Shamhna, when the veil between the worlds is thin. Yes.
Yes, yes. You know, I went for a walk last
Yeah,
week.
we were wondering where you were. You were out. Yes.
Yes, yeah. And I heard people talking about that young Jessie McCrae.
Oh, yes. You know Jessie McCrae. We know her grandmother. We see the grandmother when we're out.
Yeah, well, she went into the woods, apparently, and she got lost.
Oh, now after we're warning you, we're telling you to be careful when you go out there. You have to be so careful.
Well, anyway, everything's okay. A man found her in the woods.
Oh, you don't. Man, wasn't that kind?
She told them that this man was covered with leaves and moss, and that he had black hair.
Leaves and moss?
Yes, but he took her to a path that led her safely home.
Well, that was good of him.
Yes,
That was good
she
of him.
didn't call it a hound. Yes, so her father said, though, that's the Gille do.
The Gille you do?
Yes, that's what they called him. They called him the Gille do.
I never heard.
And so he said they're going to get together a hunting party, and they're going to go out and they're going to try to shoot the Gille do.
They're going to shoot the Gille you do? How do you imagine? Shoot the Gille you do?
In a horse,
Grandfather, where were you?
Yes, where were you? We were wondering where you were.
Contradiction. You wouldn't believe what just happened to me.
What happened to you?
There was a bunch of humans, men, they were chasing me and they were shooting at me.
Oh, they were trying to shoot, didn't you?
They were.
Yeah, Satch was saying she heard that they were trying to shoot you.
They imagine thinking they could kill me. Amateur.
Oh, yes, amateur.
Human beings are such fools.
Oh, yes, they are. They're such fools.
Will you,
No, it is so will you.